The viewers of this channel should recollect my earlier videos proving that Rama was actually a Jew who came from the Khazar region to South India with the twin agenda of destroying the then world famous king Ravana and taking over the rulership of India with the ultimate aim of making India as Jews' homeland. Their coveted Eden Garden is actually India and Lanka and not Israel. That is why they constructed Eden Garden cricket ground in Calcutta and called Rama's bridge as Adam's bridge and also named a mountain peak in Lanka as Adam's Peak. Indians should be aware of this conspiracy. The important point is that Rama did not belong to India and he came from Khazar region, the original homeland of the Jews. We are now going to establish that he did not build the so-called Rama's bridge and that he was actually killed in the sea war of Ramayanam at Sedu Samudram. We have already established without an iota of doubt that Hanuman's warriors settled in Saharan desert as war refugees in places known as Mauritania and Mali nations today. That's how the camel became the mount of Hanuman. He had a wife titled as Swarchala whom he married after settling in Mauritania. They had a son too and was titled as Magaratwaja. Magaratwaja is surprisingly worshipped in human form in North India rather than the expected monkey form. This is because the North Indian Mauryan kingdom originated from the Moors who were from Mauritania, and because Hanuman was really not a monkey, Magaratwaja was also not a monkey. Just like Rama handled Hanuman, Hanuman's descendants, the Mauryans, were handled by Chanakya, the North Indian Jew. If Hanuman became a war refugee settling in Saharan desert, it invariably proves that Rama lost the war. Rama not only lost the war, he was also killed in the sea war and hence met with the Jala Samadhi at Sedu Samudram. First, we shall prove that Rama did not build any bridge and a walkway actually existed between India and Lanka at the times of Ramayan. Vastu Shastra was propounded by Mamuni Mayan in Ramayan times. I had already published a video on Vastu Shastra in the channel. The Mamuni Mayan being a Lankan who was the father-in-law of Ravana, Vastu directions were originally referenced to Lankan landscape only. Kindly watch my video on Vastu again. The northwest direction was called by two names. 1. Vayu Mula, 2. Kodikal Mula in Tamil. As the narrow Sedu Samudram lies between Lankan and Indian landscape, there is plenty of wind flow in the Samudram region, which lies at the northwest direction to Lanka. Hence, it was called Vayu Mula. But this direction has another name, Kodikal Mula, which is well known among Tamils, and this name exists from the Ramayanam time itself. How did this name originate? There was a walkway between Lanka and India being shown in the figure, which looks like the bent stem of a creeper plant called Kodi in Tamil. Here, Kal directly means leg and suggestively as walkway. Kodi meaning bent, Kodikal means a bent walkway. As this walkway existed exactly at the northwest corner of Lanka, this Vayu Mula was also called as Kodikal Mula. The Tamil word Kodi has a lot of significance and hence we would derive the etymological origin of the word. Kodu means a straight line in Tamil. Kodu plus il, Kodil, Kodi, Kodi. Here, il means no. Hence, Kodi means not a straight line, which means bent, and that is how the creeper plants were named in Tamil as Kodi. Proving this derivation true, there is a tree known in Tamil as Kodikai tree. Its fruit appears unripe and hence called kai, and this fruit is always bent or twisted and hence called Kodi, and together it is called Kodikai. Hence, from the term Kodikal Mula, we know that a bent walkway existed between India and Lanka in the times of Ramayana, and hence Rama did not build any bridge at all. The fact that a walkway existed, which later got inundated by sea water, was conveniently used by the Sanskrit Ramayan story spinners that Rama built a bridge with the help of the monkeys. I have used the word Kodikal Mula to prove that a walkway existed previously between India and Lanka. I shall prove the same again using an English word also. The Sethu Samudram is being called by an English name as Park Strait. How did this name originate? We have already seen that Sethu Bridge looks bent. It is actually bent like a typical ancient sword, as is amply seen by this demo. The sword is called Val in Tamil, as Valaivu means bent in Tamil. Valaivu, Val. I said that Sethu Bridge was originally a walkway and hence it was a dry floor. Floor means tharai in Tamil. Surprisingly, the word floor originated from the Tamil word meaning dry. Ular means dry in Tamil. Ular, fuller, floor. Hence, the bent walkway was called Val plus Tharai, Val plus Thrai, Walk, Strai, Walk straight, Park Strait. Hence, Park Strait means bent floor. On both the sides of the bent floor called Park Strait was the sea. Hence, the Park Strait was a narrow walkway in the sea called Sethu Samudram. Later, when the Park Strait was inundated by the sea, the Sethu Samudram itself was named after the lost walkway known as Park Strait. Thus, we have proved using both ancient Tamil name and the English name that a walkway existed between India and Lanka at the times of Ramayanam, and hence Rama never built any bridge. The fact that the walkway being inundated later was conveniently used by the Jewish Brahmins that Rama built a bridge to walk to Lanka, which he never did. The war between Indra and Raman brothers happened in the Sethu Samudram Sea only, and Rama and Lakshmana were killed in the sea and their body drowned in the sea. This is the absolute truth. Proving the fact that Rama and Lakshmana were drowned in the sea, Sanskrit Ramayana itself says that they committed suicide in Sarayu river after Rama being sworn in as the king of Ayodhya. This was a terrible lie. Why should Rama and Lakshmana drown in Sarayu river when they were very young? Though the Brahmins had concocted some stupid reason, there was no need for the king to drown within just a few years after being sworn in as the king of Ayodhya. In truth, Rama never became the king of Ayodhya, and Ayodhya never existed in North India, as explained in my earlier videos. The name Ramar Sethu stands as proof that Rama indeed was killed in the Sethu Samudram Sea. What is the meaning of Sethu? If one bleeds profusely, he would die. Blood is red in color. Red color is called Sivanda in Tamil. Sivanda, Sevatha, Setta, Sethu. Setta in Tamil means died. Hence, the term Ramar Sethu means Rama died in the Sethu Samudram, and Sethu Samudram was actually named thus. The Tamil word Samudram originated from Muthiram, which means urine in Tamil. Sa means big. Sa plus Muthiram, Samuthiram, Samudram. Hence, the ancient words Sethu Samudram and Ramar Sethu proves that Rama indeed died in Ramayanam sea war at Sethu Samudram. To prove it further that Sethu is related to red color and hence with death, we shall work on the word Ketu, the shadow planet responsible for lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse is in red color. Red is called Sivanda. Sivanda, Sevatha, Setta, Sethu, Kedu. Hence, you shall harbor no doubt on Rama being killed in the sea war between Indra and Rama in the Ramayanam war, and that's how the term Ramar Sethu originated. Hence, the Sanskrit Ramayana was a fraudulent document which distorted the truth. Valmiki wrote the original Ramayana in Tamil as Ravaniya, which was translated by the Brahmins during Gupta period as Ramayana, distorting the truth. Rama was only a troublemaker here and he never ruled India, and hence the Rama Rajya is a fake notion. The fact that the Jewish Brahmins distorted every ancient literature of India, destroying the original manuscripts, we can't refer to any existing literature to find the true history. Rock carvings happened much later, and so was the copper plate engravings. Even they can't be relied upon to unearth the true history, as they were recorded by the winners with the loser's perspective completely missing. It is here that the words help us to get to the ancient history. Words were not created to record history, but they indeed reflect history when properly interpreted. This video is just an example of it. Tamil being the first language of humanity, every word of it was etymologically created with a definite meaning. This is one of the most significant works of the three Tamil Sangams, which existed from the times of Shiva, who started the first Tamil Sangam nearly 20,000 years ago. By etymologically cracking every ancient word, we can time travel to the past and relive in the past. Thus, words are like time capsules, which froze history in their meaning. Decoding history through ancient words is what I have been doing for the past 10 years, and in the process, I have developed a new technique of historical research.